Hi, I'm Jeff Beveridge, the founder of Trident Proposal Management.
And I'm Kathy Borkowski, Vice President of Trident Proposals.
We're going to talk to you about the 3 steps that you need to do in order to create an outline that is compliant and ready to send to your writers. Kathy.
The importance of your outline being compliant in the first place is unlike a civilian or commercial proposal where people are just kind of like, yeah, I like what you're selling, that's great. In the government, they're like, this is what I want, and I'm going to grade you on writing a proposal that answers my questions.
Yeah, so if you're not compliant, they literally have the ability to throw your proposal out. And it can be as simple as the wrong font, but it's typically you don't answer a question. You didn't answer the question, they can throw you out, you're out of the game before they even started grading. So make it compliant. Step 1 for compliance, it's developing a high-level outline. But where do you get the information for your outline, Kathy?
Directly from the RFP. Generally, it's Section L and Section M. Section L is going to say, this is what I want. So what you're going to do is you're going to break down those paragraphs or the questions or the bullets, whatever it is that the government's saying, this is what I want to know. You're going to use that as your headers for your outline, the high-level part of it. And then you're going to go down and you're going to look at Section M, and you're going to see, oh, the government actually is grading me on this, but they forgot to ask that question. So I'm going to alter my heading so it covers both of those things, even if it's just a word choice difference, just to make it really, really clear that I'm answering all the questions.
Yeah, so don't get Kathy wrong here. You're not writing an outline, you're copying from L&M into a Word document and using that exact format and that language and everything that they say specifically. So now you've got your high-level outline with your high-level bullets. It's time to add in the specific content that makes it a complete answer. Now, we're not talking about typing, and we're not talking about cutting and pasting stuff you did before. We're talking about putting bullets on the how you would do it, the what you would do, the why you would do it, whatever it is the government's asked for. Just put in bullets that answer the question completely, and they're going to those bullets will give your writers guidance so they can answer the question and they can fill in all the details.
Yeah, and the importance of keeping it to bullets is, I don't know about you, but if I see a paragraph, I see sentences, my brain automatically says, start editing the sentence. But what you want in the beginning is your reviewers and your writers to get the gist, what content is going to go in here. It's more sort of just to keep them from grading your stuff when they're not supposed to.
Yeah, they're just supposed to say, hey, yeah, this is a compliant outline, it's complete, it's the thing to start writing to. Now, the last step is to add in some of the color, some of the more compelling details. Again, we're not doing prose, it's an outline, but you might put in where you did the specific part of the statement of work that you're writing to. Or you might put in a past performance that you want to reference, or some specific metric that you're going to call out. This is the color, this is what's going to make it more interesting. And this is going to remind your writers also that they need to write in a specific order and to add those details, those high impact statements, to make it a more compelling proposal.
And the other part about sort of adding those win themes and those references and stuff is sometimes you don't know exactly what the example is, but I know in this section of the work, I want to talk about our ability to deliver on time. So you put that as your win theme in there, and you'll make sure that your writers are using examples where we delivered on time.
So we've given you the 3 steps that are critical for creating a compliant outline to give to your writers to write a great proposal. We're Trident Proposal Management.
Subscribe to our channel and our articles, and we'll make sure that you get the content that you need to make your proposals even better.
And play to win your next proposal.